It's whatever the train is at Stone Avenue.
Here comes the train.
Oh.
I see it coming straight down that way.
There's the train. It looks like a BNSF. Yeah, it's a BNSF. Can we go over the bridge so we can still see the train? Whoa, what is that on top? No, they said stay on the...
We might catch it over here.
Catch?
Go under the bridge.
Probably.
Maybe we'll see Indiana Harbor train at the same time, going under the bridge. Of course, we gotta deal with this old lady.
I know I'm still recording.
It's alright.
There's the train. If you could, there it is.
Point the camera to the Indiana Harbor tracks. Indiana Harbor. Down here.
Indiana Harbor tracks, BNSF tracks. Hey, there's a metro over there.
Oh, there is? Where?
Over there.
Oh yeah, there it is. Passing. Hey, get out of my way! Jump!
Jump change.
Oh, look at that. What engine is that? Oh, it's a BNSF. It's discolored, huh?
Yeah. Let's see if there's any Indian Harbor engines coming.
Why was it discolored?
That's actually a BNSF that's supposed to look like that.
It's supposed to look like that?
Yeah.
Oh, interesting.
Let's see. I'm gonna look at my side, and literally gonna be nothing on my side.
I'll look on my side. Yeah, you should look on my side.
Nothing.
He was train spotting.
Yeah. Okay. Let's get into the video.
Train spotting. Rail fanning.